Hi guys, another Sunday. So I'm taking you here to show you the update, how we're getting on with the salon. As you can see it, we have removed the labels already, which is awesome. Like I cannot wait to put our advert in. And we have repainted the balustrade and sand some doors as well. There is still lots of work included. We've got some boys working today and I can really highly recommend them. Like they are fantastic guys and they cover the entire England. So property maintenance, you can save that number, you will really well need it. That was a really heavy job to do it. You know, the machine was going like that, but I managed. Really fed up week as well because we have done lots of sanding. Like it was crazy, and I'm gonna show you those rooms because they are start looking nice. We've got one room basically almost finished. It's repainted almost, as I say, almost. Like there will be a wee sink going on in here, and the sockets are all in. Obviously, we need to still replace the lights, but things are getting better. The toilet is still in a big mess. I'm just gonna skip that and not show you the things. And yesterday, we was sanding all day long in here. Sanding, honestly, guys, it is so hard task. Like, imagine the hardest part to do in nails is shaping and filing. No one likes filing. And that's what is happening when you're doing some DIY projects and you have to sand the walls, is shaping your nails before you can paint them. So that was really tough. But Patrick did the arch. Probably you have seen it as we walk into the building. And the pedicure room starts looking brighter as well. I really love that room. So we have just touched up with the plaster, the last bits and pieces in this room. And then I need to take you into the main hall where the boys are working really hard. As you can see, we've got Gary in here. Say hello, Gary. So that's Steve's dad. They are fantastic, and you can see my tiles are getting there. I cannot wait for them to be finished. So absolutely amazing job. And you know, guys, I am really fussy. What I love about those tiles actually is the way the veins run through it. So that was some part of the tiles which I didn't like. Oh my goodness, look at this, hear the sound, the nails tapping on the tiles. This is actually fantastic. But anyway, I love the vein because this was the tiles which I didn't like the most because the pattern was quite heavy. I love the ones with the soft pattern, but the boys done it the way so the vein ran through the entire floor and the pattern kinds of repeats. It was really hard task actually to figure it out, but it looks unbelievably fantastic. So that's Steve. Say hello to us. So Steve is a really awesome handy man. He does basically everything. So can I ask you what kind of stuff you do?
Basically tiling, bathrooms, kitchen fitting, basically everything on house maintenance and property maintenance.
And even better, he covers the entire England and entire Scotland. That was good advertising, isn't it? Yep. But honestly, this guy is amazing. Like, his thinking is so similar to us. Like, there is no job he couldn't do it. So I can really highly recommend it him. And also you can see it after the tiles work. Like, Gary's still working hard, putting everything in, making sure I'm really happy. And I am really happy, guys, because you know, the tiles will look just fantastic. So another thing what we did, actually, Gary is hiding in my hiding place. This is gonna be my wee kitchen. And obviously the walls still need lots of sanding and it needs to be straightened, like lots of, a little bit more plaster to put in there. But I will be putting my kettle on, enjoying my wee break, and I've got also the doors outside as well, so it's fantastic. Like, I'm so happy with that. So things start looking like this is going to be a nice salon. And Elisa, that was the lady which sent me the design on the beginning, how she would do the salon. and she showed me that we should have chandeliers. Oh, I'm so terrible pronouncing, like nice huge lights. And actually I got a crystal one, a big chandelier, a big fancy light from the palace, which is going to be right in here. It's like 1 meter long and 1 meter low, so I cannot wait when Patrick is gonna fit that in. And the arches are start looking pretty nice as well. There is still lots of sanding need to be done on those arches. As you can see, that's a fresh plaster which I was just putting in yesterday to make sure things are really nice and smooth, but some parts already look fantastic. And then we'll be able to secure. Actually, I'm gonna bring it. Oh gosh, I am all over the place as usual. I do apologize, guys, but this is my style, so keep off, which means do not put your feet in there. And I'm gonna show you what was my idea. So I've got those pieces here. I've got them there, another one, and then the big one. Let me find a big one without breaking it. This is so fragile, like you have to be very careful, but I just kind of want to show you the idea, what we want to do it, because I also think we should place it on the front door as well. So see, we need to take this fire exit sign because I just don't like it, but oh gosh, don't drop it, Dorota, don't drop it. So this one is gonna be here. No. This one is gonna be there, and so on, so on. So it will look absolutely amazing, like, and I cannot wait to place that over the arch. I hope, guys, you will really enjoy it. I need to put it back. Don't stand on the tiles so they don't break. And yeah, I cannot wait actually. So in the next video, we'll probably show you how we're finishing this off. And I'm so pleased I could show you this tiles today. Give us lots of strength, guys, because as I say, now there is lots of jobs which you don't see it. I mean, obviously the tiles, you can see it, but on the walls there is still so much to do. And like Patrick is really fed up of it as well. Like on Monday, he was like giving me a call. I just can't do it anymore. So yeah, cross the fingers for us. We will manage because we've got the date set up as well, which is gonna be the 28th of August, 28th of September. We are gonna be moving away from the old premises, and then over the weekend of 23rd, 24th, we need to move everything in here. But I will be keeping you updated, sending you huge glittery hacks, and bye for now.